Guys, good morning once again. We are still in Chiang Rai, huh? Yeah, Myanmar. And we are here in Karen Village, Long Neck Village in Chiang Rai. Supposedly, we wanted to go to Mi Hong Son in Chiang Mai sa Long Neck Village. Yun ang pinakamalaki na Long Neck Village sa Thailand, yung sa Hong Son, Mi Hong Son. Kaya lang, masyadong malayo, hindi kaya sa itinerary namin. Kasi one day lang kami. So, may option naman dito sa Chiang Rai. May Long Neck naman village dito, pero medyo may kaliitan ang population. Unlike sa Chiang Mai, yun talaga ang pinakamalaking Long Neck village. So, kakarating lang namin. Time check, it's 11:30 exactly. So, hindi pa namin alam kung magkano entrance dito. Pero ang doon sa Mi Hong Son, o kapag-alam ko is 300 to 500 yata. So, let's see. Tingnan natin sa loob mamaya, guys. Andito pa tayo sa parking lot. And see you inside. Yun, Hill Tribe Villages and Long Neck Karen. Yeah. Karen actually is originally from Myanmar, but they were adopted in Thailand. Friend of Hill Tribes. So we are now entering to the village. This is the village, guys. Information. Open daily 7 to 7 p.m. 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Entrance fee. Entrance fee is over there. Okay. So this is it. So there's no people here, only that one. So this is it. Entrance fees here, please. Kayor, Long Neck Karen. So this one is another tribe. The tribe is Kayor. Ito Karen. Ito Aka. Ito Luminyao. Ito Laho. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tribes. 5 tribes. So, who we are and what we do. Who we are and what we do. Friends of Hill Tribes Northern Thailand Foundation, located in the heart of Chiang Rai, is a charitable foundation dedicated to helping those in need, especially Burmese refugees, including 5 distinctive tribes. So ito sila, they are from Burma or Myanmar. They are originally from Myanmar. 5 tribes pala to, an? Dito dito pa sulod ang ano. Dito pa sulod ang villages. Okay. So ito yung products nila. Kung gusto nga bibili for souvenirs. Di village to, sa village dito. Iba na isabi. Pilang kilo?
1 kilo.
Oh, bukat pala. Bukat 1 kilo? Kana mga more than kilo na, bi? More than 1 kilo na. Kato kayaan gani half ra to. Kada kayaan gani 1 kilo na. Kap mi 3 คน driver free ไหม driver free ไม่ free driver เหรอ so okay so driver is not free, unlike other itineraries. Driver is free, but here driver is not free. Okay, ito yung products nila dito. 200 each, 159, 159, 149. 150. 150. After, bibili tayo paglabas.
บุญมาเลยว่ากระตาดี
จีเนียนกับจีเนียนอ๋อไม่ได้จีเนียนเนาะคุมมาเนาะจะได้อยู่ว่าเลือดนะครับนี้ว่า
I-clip sa imong i-clip sa imong anak. Ay paghangad, i-clip ano ba? Anak. So 1 2 1 2 mana? Yes. Nakapilo.
We should get out of the picture.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Not yet. Not yet.
Okay. Tell us when.
So for the current people, the longest people,
Anak, okay. Ay, paghangad, anak. Half na lang para maklaro.
and then when they move at the beginning, when they move come to Thailand, it's not Chiang Rai. They move come to Mae Hong Son. Mae Hong Son, this is like the place area for them.
Yes, Mae Hong Son.
Oh, should you see?
It takes teamwork.
It's heavy. Around 1 kilo plus. More than 1 kilo. So, this is their location.
When the
This location.
they start to do when they was 3 years.
They start from here.
Between 3 years to 5
But
years.
how do they add more?
Yes, they're gonna add more if they want or for the new year or something. So for 4 or 5 kilograms.
Right, but how do they add? Is it one continuous thing, or they just add another ring?
5 kilograms.
Another. They're gonna change and have another. But when they wear it, 4 of them, right? The 2 straight gonna be around the shoulder, and then the ring is make shoulder down. This picture is compared with the normal people and the current Padong people.
Yeah, explain that again. What's that mean?
For this picture, is compared with the bone of the normal people and the current people, the longer people. So you can see the neck is not going up, but the shoulder is go down.
Well, it pushes the shoulders down.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's less space between each bone.
Shoulders.
So once it's on, it never comes off.
If they would
I would think if you took that off these people, they wouldn't be able to hold their heads up.
They have to support their head.
they can take it off, but when they move the face, it's gonna be slowly.
But how would they take it off?
Gonna need another one.
Oh, you have to unwind it.
Yes.
Much work to do.
And they did it because it's spiritual protection.
For the protection first, because in the past, when they are married, they would like to protect the lady. But mostly the Hill tribe is told lady when they live in Myanmar, right, still have like the tiger come to bite them. And the first area when the tiger come to bite them.
Yeah.
So that why
Makes sense.
the ring at here. It's
Yeah. Tiger kasi ang attack leeg. No scan.
And these group of them, they are the owner of the coffee shop. Coffee shop because they know how to produce from the opium. From the coffee. And this one is small. Would you like to try? Yeah. We go to see the real one, much be better. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you get inside?
Yeah, we have our ticket already.
Yeah.
But I want to document the explanation.
Okay. Where you from?
From the Philippines.
Oh, from the Philippines.
Yes. So, pasok ko tayo guys. Napakamahal pa naman. Susulitin nyo na to.
Pero 40 minutes
Oh, sige lang, lang.
bago maano ni mo.
Ma-round. So, mahaba pala talaga, Josie. It takes time. Mag-live ako kung ganun. Guys, pumasok na kami sa Karen village. In this village, there are 5 tribes from Myanmar. The Aka, the Yao, Laho, Kayao, and Longnek Karen. So, Anak-anak. Okay. Ito guys. Ito. Ito yung 5 tribes nandito. Yan. Ito yung 5 tribes. So we have to go down. Since the village is downhill. The village is downhill. So we really have to experience how they live in their own life in this village. Lady toilet. Toilet ka? May mga toilet pa ka naman doon. Sa ilang village. Kaya mahulog rin dito tayo. Guys, parang cave lang. We are... Wala palang entrance. Talagang iikot ka. Okay. Gwapo. Nice. Cut muna tayo guys kasi haba pa itong vlog na to. Pero maganda maganda ang ano. Sige ikaw, video na.
Ayun, hindi ko
Videohan, gwapo. Nice ang landscape. O dito sa bridge. Drake gwapo mo do. Okay, we are entering here in Aka village guys. Aka village is the most populated or more populations here in Chiang Rai compared to other hill tribes. Aka is the most population here in Chiang Rai. They are owners of coffee shops. Most of coffee shops here in Chiang Rai is owned by Aka people because they are known to be the best in coffee making. Ang products nila is coffee. That's why most here in Chiang Rai, even in Chiang Mai, the owner of the coffee shops are Aka villagers or Aka people because of their expertise in coffee making. So at least may na-learn tayo. May na-learn tayo sa mga ano. And these are their sample products. Hello. Good day. Sawadee krap. Can I take video of your products? Okay. I can promote to my channel. Aka products. Aka people are best in coffee making. Yeah. So you are famous in coffee shops?
Yeah, 300 baht.
300 baht this one?
Yeah, 300.
And jewelries. These are their bags. Okay, let's go. Yes, Aka. Welcome to Aka village. Sawadee krap. Okay. Okay, these are their products. Handmade. They're handicraft. Yes. These products are handmade. Yeah. Sawadee krap. Okay. Luoy yung guys, luoy. Dancing.
Sir,
Sit down daw, dancing. Ngadit lang? Pwede, oh. Ay, karong rat, no? Pwede po, no? Kaya lang wala silang scan, puro cash.
may scan mo. May scan.
Sakan.
Mami.
Puro cash lagi, oh.
Mami.
That's the problem. We don't have cash.
We want buy, but
No, may cash. May satang ni.
Mami.
Oh.
Hello, mami.
Oh, no phone.
gusto ko, ano
Chop mark, but may me. We want to buy. We want to buy what we don't have cash. We only have scan. But sakan may me. Me ah? May scan siya, be. May scan siya. Dito. Scan ah? Tulas up scan. Oh, hindi. Okay.
จะเอาเราก็เอาเลยสแกนได้
นู่นด้วย
จะ
ใช่ไหม Okay. So now we are entering in Yao village. The first village we entered is the Aka village, known for coffee making people. The Yao people is, I forgot the explanation. I was just listening a while ago. Partly listening, not really attentive. So these are the products again. What are the products? Same products? Same. So the cap. Okay. This one. They have almost the same products. So Yao. So next village we entered is the Kayao. Aka, Yao at saka Kayao. So next village is Kayao. This village here. And again, in Chiang Mai, only Karen Long Neck village. So here, small village, but there are 5 tribes here. This one is Kayao. Going there is Kayao. Here is the Laho village. Okay. So Kayao, doon ang Kayao. So this one is the Laho. Tingnan natin kung anong products nila. Ang Laho village is a tale of 1,000 stars shooting location. Okay. Tingnan natin anong products dito. Shooting stars yung coffee. May ano sila, may mga bamboo cups, yan, bamboo mugs, handmade. So 5 baht only. May 30 baht. This one 40 baht for coffee. Okay. Yan, very unique. Can I touch? Made of bamboo. Coffee mug. Yan.
hello wa
Gusto mo?
wa chu hello
She must decide. So this one or this one?
wala na
This way. This way. Thank you, Kap. Okay, going to what village is this? Layao. Ganda ng landscape. Okay. Ganda ng arc. So after here, we will go to Layao, then the last one is Karen Long Neck. Yun ang pinaka-highlight. Naawa ako guys. Naawa ako sa... Hindi naawa sa... Dahil... Ano sila? Kasi... Mayaman naman sana ang kultura nila. Yung mga... hilltop village, people. Kaya lang... Parang... Hindi yata napunta sa kanila yung pera. Sorry ah. This is actually vlog. Pero parang nakontrol sila sa ano. Wala, kahit cellphone, wala. Bihira lang may phone sa kanila. Magbayad ka instead na kung naalagaan sila sa government, dapat may phone sila para accessible sila sa ano. May access sila sa ano. Technology. Okay, ibalik na rin natin yung camera.